In this video I would like to show you how to operate the vents and the windows. We're now looking at the sky view vent, and to open it, it's very simple. The handle has got a little push button. You push that in, open up, push it in, open up, and then here is a handle up on top, and that is how you open up the vent. It is very, very important when you're driving that all the vents and all the windows are fully shut. Close it back, and that falls back into this nook. Shut here and here. Now your blinds are down here. They can be pulled up. This is your mosquito shade. This is your night shade. Now it is very important when you're driving that you don't have the night shade all the way across. The air pressure in the vehicle while you're driving will pull on the paper and will make it come down in time, and it will look very ugly. So always make sure that you've got the night blinds not over 3/4 when you're driving. The same goes for your Medihickey vents. To open them, you push down on this knob. You can have them up all the way up, or you've got two settings here. One, lowest, two. You can lock that in here with a plastic push button. Now if you have it on low, like now, on mild rainy days, you will have absolute waterproof. There is a lip here that prevents the water from dripping into your motorhome, unless the wind is very strong coming from the back and blows the water in, you would be fine. Again, very important that you always close it when you're driving. And make sure that bar goes over that knob. Put your night shades. And again, very important not to have the shades pulled all the way across when you're driving, for the same reason as with the sky view window. And here you will have your mosquito shade. You will have also smaller windows. They operate exactly the same as the bigger ones. They do not close 100% because of new regulations with gas emissions, so you would have a little gap over there. Push it open, and then you have the same system as with the big one. Very easy. The windows all operate the same, so I would show you only one. There are no buttons anymore to press, so all you have to do is you open the window, and then you can push it open any way you like. You don't have the old click mechanism where you have like set settings. These windows can open any way you like. Make sure when you close them that you put equal pressure on both hinges. You do have down here your night and solar shade and your mosquito screen, and they can click together. So you can have, in summer when it's very hot, a little bit of shade and the rest open with mosquito. Very easy usage. We have a half close function, as you can see. You can close the window half, which is good for nights or for storage, so you have that airflow while the windows are still locked. But you cannot drive with the windows on half close. The air pressure will suck at the windows and will break them in time. So very important that when you drive that they're on full close. Very easy.